Ah! These red Pikmin are actually very good helpers. Secondly, the reason I'm playing this game, this is actually the demo version. So I don't care if it is. I think I might get the full game for Christmas. I don't know. But you guys just keep on getting those. I have 4 in my squad, but I'm not sure if that's going to be enough. Does it look like I can climb that? I already know how to beat this game, though. I already know how to beat the demo. I beat the demo many times. Why did I just stop them from doing that? Okay, the first thing I know about this game is that you can charge your Pikmin into enemies in this game. And when you get the Copan, you can try to find your SS Drake. The SS Drake. And these red Pikmin are resistant to fire. But secondly, those red flowers, they can make and grow more Pikmin, and then it can grow and make them be plucked. Well, secondly, I have to pluck them out, and then I have more red Pikmin, and then I have more red Pikmin, and it is done, and the bridge is done. Stupid low battery. And there it is. My Copan. Blah. Blah that. Screw that. Screw all this crap.